We have the Zippo collection as of the 14th, the 6th, 2012. A custom cabinet, which is locked, easily opens. Top row we have the replicas, 32, 35, 37s, and 41, black ice, some Barrett Smythe, Jack Daniels, 007, get some good reflection off there. Marlboro Experience, Old Holborn, a Budweiser Chrome, Candy Apple Red, that's a limited edition Earth. There's a Hard Rock Cafe which came with a zip light. There's a nice white one. Vegas one, Harley Davidson Candy Apple Red, and the Elvis. We got a Chrome Jim Beam, Texas Twister I think it's called, Brush Chrome Zippo Emblem, Brush Chrome Harley Davidson, a Brush Chrome Buckle Up, and it's a pretty cool one. Zip limited edition, 420 of 5,000. It's actually the zip. It's pretty cool. Our Century, that spider one, it's pretty cool. Got a Black Crackle, 007 one again, mint condition, this little brass emblem one, brushed chrome, that's a 24 carat plated one. There's an armour, pretty nice, gold insert. There's no Zippo armour, and a Zippo logo, and a solid brass. It's just plain brushed chrome down there. A couple of three slims, black, red border. The middle one's like a 1960s one off eBay. Another slim one. Got the antique silver effect, and a cool Zippo tape measure, 1969, dated on the front, not sure the date of the actual Zippo. There's a grey one, red border. What's this one? It's a 1977 chrome one. That's my first one there, brushed effects one. And in this cabinet we've got some non-Zippos, some of these Doras, yeah, Dora, American Eagle, it's pretty cool looking. There's a Starlighter, like antique silver or something. Here's a custom one I made from a chrome Dora. Guns N' Roses, pretty cool, and yes, the he does open. Just a plain Dora. Pretty heavy, can't really carry it. That's a Ronson Typhoon. Pretty cool. 1950s, 60s. There's another cheap Dora. Las Vegas. That's pretty cool there. Quite detailed. There's Z plus insert. A couple of spare inserts there. And below we got some medals, little peanut lighter there, little canister, Zippo fuel canister, Spyderco box and a Gerber knife sharpener there. It's pretty cool magnetic, they're called desktop play toys, aren't they, I suppose, gadget thingies. Below we've got it's a homemade hand warmer. It's got a Zippo burner on top. Just probably the best thing for a star lighter. Converted. Works pretty well. Same concept as a normal Zippo hand warmer, the fuel. Just some older gas lighters there, a couple of models. And that is a Zippo collection in my homemade custom cabinet. Got some mad reflection there. Keep you up to date with more additions. Cheers.